We latch technology on to an idea which is solving a customer pain point. We're always starting with a customer pain point, and that's a very big part of our success. The incredible thing with T-Mobile is we're basing a lot of our success and what we're doing on a couple of important principles. One is best value. We come from a history of best value. This company was a challenger in the market, trying to establish itself, and you have to offer simply the best value to attract attention and build customer loyalty. Now we have, since the merger with Sprint, been able to build also the best network. So now we have best value and best network. And for the first time in history, you could say that in an American mobile business, you don't have to choose as a customer between best value and best network. You can get both.
You're known for the UnCarrier Initiative, which has been really successful. What technology or what approach to technology underlies that initiative? I mean, because you've done away with contracts, and
we did.
There's a lot of other things which are customer friendly about it. So how did you do that?
It's always starting with a customer pain point. You mentioned getting away with customer contracts or obligations for this and that, or the worry when you travel abroad is that you don't know how much data you will do. So for us, roaming on us is including all that, or other such customer pain points. Or when we launched the home internet product, which a fixed wireless access product, right? So we, all these things are trying to solve customer pain points. And we continue to be the UnCarrier. We latch technology on to an idea which is solving a customer pain point. That makes it also possible for us to sort in a different way in our technology. We're not just doing technology for technology's sake. Then we have added best experience. And best experience is by creating a customer intimacy that we can now, for example, superpower with AI and the things that we're doing. We're always starting with a customer pain point. And that's a very big part of our success.